Looking to enable auto sensor cleaning on your Canon camera? Dust and dirt can ruin your shots, but most users forget this important feature. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on auto sensor cleaning on your Canon camera. So let's set it up right now. First, turn on your camera. After that, press the menu button. Then go to the wrench 3-dot tab from the top. Now here, you will see the sensor cleaning option. Scroll down, select the option, press the set button. Here you'll get 3 more options, like auto cleaning, clean now, and clean manually. To enable the auto cleaning option, select it, then press the set button. Now, select enable, and then press the set button to confirm it. If you want to disable it, then select disable, and then press the set button again. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.